Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. So this is just a review of the previous video that I just posted on how to stone with a soldering iron. So I got some complaints about the video not being really clear, so I decided to just redo it again on a plain material. This is a lining material, and then these are my stones. So I decided to show you. I feel this will be much more clearer than the previous video I just did. So to start the tutorial, as usual, we'll need our soldering iron and our stone. So like I said before, you place your stone on a material or somewhere, and then you place this hot iron, the tip. You're going to place the tip at the gum to pick it up. That's how you know that it's hot. So as the gum is on this, it's this hot iron, this soldering iron is melting it. So you just place it and hold it there. Then you turn it to the side. This dropped, and then you hold it. But normally it will not drop. Ordinarily it wouldn't drop. So you just touch the gum area. You touch the gum area, and then use your fingertip and bring it out. I don't know if you got it. Touch the gum, push it to the side, and press it with your hand. And when you're doing this, you have to be very careful so that you won't get burnt, and you won't burn your material too. So that's it. That's it, guys. I hope this tutorial is much more clear than the previous one I did. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos. Thank you guys for your support. Bye.